Hello everybody. Let us revise the chapter Arithmetic Progression for the coming annual exam doing more sums. The first question here for today class, find the sum of first 15 terms of each of the following AP whose nth terms are given. That means here nth term given. The first part it is given 6 minus n, second part given 3 plus 4n, and third part it is given 9 minus 5n. These are the nth term given, and you have to find out to find sum of 15 terms, to find S15 in each case. Just I am telling the short technique how to apply. So now for first part, nth term means an is equal to 6 minus n. If I will put n is equal to 1, I will get first term, that is a1, which is equal to 6 minus 1 means 5, therefore a is equal to 5. This is the first term. And 15 term I will get, and a15 term, because we need last term 6 minus 15, n is replaced by 15, therefore a15 is equal to how much? 6 minus 15 means minus 9. We are getting the last term, that is 15 term, and we have to find out sum of 15 terms. Therefore S15 sum of 15 term formula is what? N by 2, that is 15 by 2, a plus l. A means your first term, l means your last term, that is minus 9. How much coming? 15 by 2. This is 5 minus 9, that is minus 4. Yes or no? It will go by 2. 15 into minus 2, that is minus 30. So what is the answer? The answer is minus 30. The sum of first 15 terms for first case is minus 30. Let us go to the second part. The second part, your nth term given 3 plus 4n. Therefore a1 means a first terms, I will get 1, putting n is equal to 1. If I will put n is equal to 1, this will be 7, a is equal to 7. And a15 how will get? Putting n is equal to 15 means last term. If I will put n is equal to 15, 15 for the 60, 60 plus 3, that is 63. This is last term, 15 term. And we have to find out the sum of 15 term. What is the formula required? The sum of first 15 term S15 is equal to 15 by 2, that is n by 2, a plus l. Here a means 7, l means last term, that is 63. 15 by 2, 63 plus 7 means this is coming 70. If it go divide 2, this will be 15 into 35. Now how much coming? If you multiply 15 into 35, how much you are getting? Just to multiply 15 into 35, it is coming 525. 525. Okay, and this is the answer. Initially this question number, second part, nth term given, and you have to find out first term, putting n is equal to 1, and 15 terms, that is last term, putting n is equal to 15. Then find sum of 15 terms, just using the formula a by l whole into n by 2 whole into a plus l. A means your first term, l means last term, that is 15 term. Let us go third part, that is given 9 minus 5n. Here nth term given how much? 9 minus 5n. Then I can find a, that is a1, putting n is equal to 1, 9 minus 5 into 1, it is coming 4. Therefore a1 means first term, that is 4 you are getting. After that you have to find out 15 term, that is last term for the series. A15, just n is replaced by 15. 9 minus 5, n is 15. 9 minus 15, 5 just 75. 9 minus 75, it is coming how much? Just to see. 9 minus 75, it is coming minus 66. This is a 15 term and last term. And you have to find out the sum of 15 term, that is S15. S15 formula is what? That is n by 2, 15 by 2, a plus l. A means your first term, that is 4, and last term, that is 15 term, minus 66. That means 15 by 2 whole into, it is coming minus 62. It will go by 2. How much it will be? 15 into minus 31. Just multiply 15 into minus 31. How much coming? This will be, I think, multiply minus 465. In this third part also completed. I hope it is clear for you. Let us go next more question. Next number is see how many terms of the AP, that means AP is given, arithmetic progression series given 63, 60, 57, decreasing order. How many terms of this AP should be taken so that the sum is, means Sn is equal to 693. These two are given. Okay. Given AP given 63, 60, that means here A equal to 63, common difference, that is D, 60 minus 63, 57 minus 60, it is coming minus 3. And your Sn given, that is sum of n terms given 693. How many terms required? Okay. How many terms of the given AP should be taken so that the sum of the series will be 693. Now you have to apply Sn formula. Sn formula is what? N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. Now Sn is equal to 693 is equal to n by 2, 2a. A means here 63 plus n minus 1. N you have to find out. D equal to how much? D is equal to minus 3. Now just simplify. 2 we bring this side. 693, sorry, 960, 693, I think, 693, sorry, Sn given 693, just you see, it is given 693, by mistake I have written here, 693 into 2, if you multiply 693 into 2, it is coming how much? 1386 is equal to n whole into 63 into 2, it is coming how much? 126. This is minus plus 3 minus 3n. Now it is coming how much? If you multiply here, 1386 is equal to 126 plus 3, 129 n minus 3 n square. Yes or no? Now all you bring this side, this will be 3n square minus 129 n plus 1386 equal to 0. It will go by 3. Now divide. This coming how much? N square minus 43n minus 43n plus 3 4 12, 3 4 is 12, 3 6 is 18, 3 2 is 462. You have to solve this by middle term breaking. Okay. N square minus 43n plus 462 equal to 0. Just you have to apply the brain. This will be n minus 21 and n minus 22. If you factorize equal to 0. So how much you are getting? Either n is equal to 21 or n equal to 22. Therefore n is equal to 21 or n is equal to 22. So how many terms required? 21 or 22. Therefore 21 terms should be taken to get the sum, that is 693, or 22 terms, should be taken to get the sum 693. Your answer is 21 or 22. In this question also completed. Let us go one more question. Let us go next question. Next question given, if the nth term of an arithmetic progression, means it is given nth term of an arithmetic progression, that is an, which is equal to 2n plus 1. If the nth term of an arithmetic progression is given by 2n plus 1, find the sum of, find the sum of first n terms of the Sn you have to find out. Here nth term given and you have to find out sum of n terms. Just see how to solve. As it is given nth term is equal to 2n plus 1, I can find easily a1 putting n is equal to 1, that is first term, putting n is equal to 1, how much it will be? 3. A means first terms, a1, so therefore a is equal to 3, first term you are getting 3, putting n is equal to 1. Next if I put n is equal to 2, that is 2 to the 4 plus 1, this is coming second term. Next find a3, 2 into 3 plus 1, how much coming? 6 plus 1, 7. In this way, few terms you find up to 4, 2 into 4 plus 1, it is coming 9. After finding there are 4 terms, first 4 terms, easily you can find what is the d. Therefore, d will be common difference will be how much? The common difference will be difference between consecutive terms, that is second terms minus first term, 5 minus 3, or 7 minus 5, or 9 minus 7, which is equal to d. Common difference is equal to d. After finding the a and d value, a equal to 3 and d equal to 2. And you have to find out Sn is sum of n terms. Therefore, sum of n terms is equal to, formula is what? N by 2, n by 2, 2a, a means here 3, plus n minus 1 into d, d is 2. Your formula is, Sn formula is n by 2 whole into 2a plus n minus 1 d. This 2 you take common and cancel, this 2 will be cancelled, n whole into 3 left plus n minus 1 left. Finally getting n whole into, this is n plus 2, 3 minus 1, n plus 2. So what is the sum of n terms? The sum of n terms is n whole into n plus 2, or n square plus 2n. This is the sum of n terms of the given AP whose nth term given. And today the last question, just see one more question, that is question number 6. To the last question, find the sum of first n natural numbers. You have to find out find the sum of first n natural numbers. The natural numbers means, what are the natural numbers? Natural numbers starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n. N natural numbers are there. So here the first term is how much? First term, that is a is equal to 1. Common difference 1 and n is equal to n. You have to find out sum of first n natural number, Sn. Your formula is what? N by 2, 2a. A means here 1 plus n minus 1 into d. D is how much? 1. Now simplify this one. How much coming? N by 2, 2 plus n minus 1. It is coming n whole into n plus 1 by 2. This is the sum of n natural numbers. Okay, I think it is clear. Therefore, sum of first n natural numbers. How much getting? N whole into n plus 1 by 2. This is the answer. I hope it is clear for you. Let us thank you for today's class.